Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea. But let me tell you very clearly, actually one of my subscribers, I don't know her actual real name, but on YouTube it shows Dikchana. She actually has commented me. I'll try to pop up a picture over here. She actually commented me and she asked me like she wanted to see my full foundation collection. Now I just would like to tell one thing over here. I have basically a not huge but a little bit large collection of foundations, and to show each and every foundation in one video will be little bit too long. I think then it will go the video will go around 20-25 minutes, and I don't want you people to wait till that long. So what I thought, I have just modified it little bit, and I have right now I'm going to show my show my top 5 favorite foundations. All right, now all these foundations basically I use whenever I go out or whenever I shoot a video, or it's like my go-to foundations. I like these foundations a lot. So rather showing it my full collection, I narrow it down to 5 foundations. Now first what I'll do is I'll talk about each and every foundations, and in the end I will show all the swatches on my face, because I have not applied anything besides lipstick and eyebrow and liner and mascara and little bit of concealer below my, like for my dark circles. I have not applied. I have just prepped my face with moisturizer as well as the primer. So there is basically nothing on my this area, and whenever we go and buy a foundation we generally check over here, right? So I have not applied anything over here. You all can see nothing is applied. So what I'll do is first I'll talk about each and every foundation for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll directly show you the swatches. And if you are here only for the swatches, I'll mention the timestamp in the description box, so you can directly head towards the timestamp particular. You can just move to that particular timestamp and you can watch the video. And yes, of course, if you are new to my channel, if you like the content which I upload daily, then definitely please take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit the bell icon and you will be like notified whenever I'll upload a video, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other such video request, you can either comment down or else you can follow me on Instagram. There also you can let me know. The link of the Instagram will also be given in the description box. Alright, now let's move. The first, what we'll do, we'll go from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? The 5th position, what I have is this foundation. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover full coverage all day matte foundation. The shade in this which I use is 108 caramel beige. It contains SPF 16 and it has PA+++. Now this is the foundation. Now you all will say, Meghna, you don't have full foundation, that is the normal tube or the container, whatever. If you don't have that, then how you can like tell us about this? Then let me tell you, once I went to L'Oreal's counter, there actually I have one of my friend. She gave me all this foundation. She gave me actually this kind of 10 foundations just for trial, and I have right now one full and one is already open. So I have already used 8. So y'all can understand, in each one contains 1.5 ml. So y'all can understand 10 into 1.5, that comes to almost 30 ml, almost, right? So that is why I've already used up 8. So I know my thought on this particular foundation. So first will be on 5th rank, it is this foundation. On my 4th rank, I have this foundation. This is Faces Canada. Okay, it is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation Anti-Aging Natural Extract 18 ml. The shade in this which I use is 04 Sand. Okay, this is actually the cover, and over here the shade is mentioned 04 Sand. Okay, and actually I got this foundation from purple.com. When I ordered, they were having some offer, like if you buy 2 products, like buy one get one free or something. Yeah, it was BOGO offer, buy one get one free. The cost of this foundation is 199, and the cost of that powder compact, yeah, that is also for 199. So what I did, I ordered that 2 products together. So that is 200, like 199 and 199. So basically each product I paid 200 and I got 2 products, that is 199. You can understand, you can do the math, 199 for this and 199 for that, but I got that free. So within 200 I got this and as well as the compact. So for 100 rupees basically I paid this for, like I got this for 100 rupees. So this is the fourth foundation. The third foundation for me is this. It is from Sugar. Y'all can see it is from Sugar. It is the Ace of Face foundation stick. Okay, and the shade in this which I use is 45 Con Panna. This is the particular foundation stick, and I like this foundation stick a lot. Y'all can see I'm using it. I like this foundation, but only the one thing I would like to tell you is I don't use this brush, because this brush you cannot wash it, and if you can't wash, then I feel little bit yucky if I can't use my, like if I can't wash my brush, because if I wash this brush then I'm not sure it may harm the foundation stick. That is why I am not using this brush, but I definitely like this foundation a lot. Okay, and I can show you how much is left. Of course there is a more quantity, but not the full. I have used also a lot, and still this much has to go. Y'all can see this much has to go. So definitely I like this foundation, but this is on number 3, right? 45 Con Panna. And one thing over here, if you use my code on Sugar's website, you will get some discount, as well as Sugar do run lot of offers that buy 3 products for 1299, buy 2 products for 999. That time I will like to suggest you can go for this product, because the MRP for this product is, if I'm not, 950 rupees. Let me check. Of course it is 950 rupees, but still not sure. 999. 999 is MRP. You all can check over here. In any case, you all can check on Sugar's website also. Over here it is mentioned 999. So when they have offer, that time you can grab this kind of foundations. Okay. The second number foundation is again from Sugar. It is a drop the base serum foundation. The shade in this which I use is 42 Glaze. This is the foundation. Only the thing, whenever you use this foundation, just shake. In any case, any liquid foundation, you just have to shake properly and then you have to use. This is a serum based foundation. You can say this and NYX. Even NYX has similar kind of foundation, but I have not used that. But I can definitely vouch on this foundation. This gives you very smooth and natural finish on your face. And since you all know, I do belong to dry skin family, but still, if I moisturize my face also properly, then also I can use this kind of matte foundation. That is what I want to tell you. Skin prep is the most important part whenever you apply any kind of foundation. So this is the number 2 foundation. Even this retails for 1 second, I'll tell you. Now 899. 899 is the cost, but again, when Sugar has offer buy 2, buy 3, that time you can check, and I'll try to link my referral link also. If at all you can get some discounts or maybe some off, then why not? So this is on number 2, and my Holy Grail foundation. I love this foundation stick, and definitely I'm going to repurchase it. It is from Makeup Revolution. It is the Fast Base Stick Foundation. I'll show you. I forgot to show you. Right, it is this foundation. The shade in this which I use is F12. You all must have seen this foundation stick when my son did my makeup. That time also I said ki I like this foundation stick so much. I am actually going to finish this foundation. That is, I'm going to hit pan on this. Definitely I am going to repurchase this foundation. I'll show you. Now you will say ki no one can finish the foundation stick. Then let me tell you, see. It's only this much is left. And this is my regular foundation. Whenever I'm doing any makeup or anything, I love this foundation. I don't know what is it with the formulation or something. I just love this foundation. That is why this is on my number 1. And F12 is my shade. Now you all will say ki bas that is all. No, I do have Bella Vista foundation. I do have Cushion-less cover pot. I do have My Glam foundation, but that all foundations are like recently bought by me, and like I have not used it at the most. I do have to still keep on trying them. So that is why they are not right now on my top 5 list. Right now I am just showing you top 5 list, but once I'll be like I have proper time, and when I'll feel ki okay, you people will watch 25-30 minutes video also mine, then definitely at that time I'll come up with my full foundation collection, as well as I'll come up with my full concealer also, because I also use concealers. Of course, each and every person use concealer, so I will show you my concealer collection also. Now we will move ahead with the swatch part. Yeah, now this is the first, that is the 5th rank foundation, L'Oreal Infallible. I have already taken it on my hand. I'll swatch it over here, because you know whenever we go to buy a foundation, this is the swatch of L'Oreal Infallible, that is on number 5. On number 4 is Faces. This is on number 4. I'll take my other finger. See, this is Faces Sand. Okay. On number 3, I have this foundation. This is from Sugar Ace of Face Stick Foundation. I'll swatch here. You all can see. This is of Ace of Face Stick Foundation. Okay, now the next one is Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. I'll swatch it here. I'll take a little bit more. So this is the foundation, which is very runny. This is okay Sugar foundation, and the last one is from Makeup Revolution, my holy grail. This even actually you won't make out also where I have swatched. That is, it is my skin light. This is Makeup Revolution F12. Right, now I'll just repeat once again. This one over here, the last one is L'Oreal Infallible. This one is from Faces 04. This one is for Sugar, the Ace of Face Stick Foundation. This one is from Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation, and this one is from Makeup Revolution, their Fast Base Stick Foundation. So that this all are my top favorite. Now you all will say, Meghna, L'Oreal Infallible, no, sorry, the Faces one actually looks pink and all, but when you work properly, it gives me proper effect. So I don't actually feel any problem, or I don't even find any problem while using it. So I hope this swatch is of little bit of help. If yes, and if you are also of my skin, then definitely this all shades you can go for. And if you like what you see, like if you like my content, I do have lot of comparison videos, lot of new launches, then please do consider subscribing, as well as ask your friends and family also to subscribe. I'm repeating once again, because when I see the normal statistics of my channel, more than 70% of the people, they just come watch the video and they even don't hit the like button, they don't even share the video, even they don't comment, or maybe they don't subscribe. So it's a request from my end, please do consider subscribing, because it takes a lot of effort for making a video, and you all are very smart viewers, you all know everything. Then why you're waiting, what you're waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe, because it is not going to cost you anything. It is going to encourage me a lot. Alright, and yeah, if you have any other video request, definitely comment down below, or else if you have any other questions, that also you can let me know in Instagram or in comment section, anywhere. Feel free to ask me anything about this particular products, or in general anything. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.